Hey Luxe, welcome back. So let's continue from where we left off. As you can see, I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder to set her eyebrow. This helps you to keep your eyebrow intact and not let oil seep through. She said she didn't want her brow to be trimmed, so I had to leave her like that. If not, you were going to see me trimming her brow before I apply the setting powder on it. So from there, I decided to brush out her brow using a spoolie before I went ahead to draw her brow using a pencil I got from Bethmian Beauty Store. So as you can see, I'm outlining her eyebrow. I did not trim it, so I'm going to try and then draw through her brows. When drawing your brow, make sure you use thin strokes. Do not just go straight and draw one line. No, just take your time and use strokes to draw the outline, and then when you're done, you fill in also using strokes. Don't just shade your brow. The strokes will make it look like it's your natural hair. I'm doing the same thing to the left side too, which is hair right side. So as she's showing you, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to conceal her eyebrow. This is done to correct and conceal what you've drawn already to get a perfect shape or your desired shape of brow. As you can see, I am taking my time. If possible, makeup artist or makeup enthusiast or whoever is doing the makeup, if possible, hold your breath, because once you get this done, or once you spoil it rather, it's really difficult to correct when you have to use a pencil to pass through what you've drawn already. Trust me, it's not so easy. Yeah, so I'm done doing the down part, and I went in for my color box brush, the double-sided brush. This is one of my favorite brushes ever, and I'm using it to blend the concealer. Blend it very, 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 very well. Try and use a concealer that is just 2 shades lighter than you. Let's go ahead and do the same to her right brow. As you can see, I turn the brush. See, with drawing of brows, do whatever makes you comfortable, but make sure you're getting the brows you desire, the shape you really want to achieve, okay? But take your time. Take your time. And note that brows are not twins. Your brows are not twins, but they are neither cousins too. So try and make them siblings at least. Let them look similar. Yeah. And as you can see, after I draw my brow and I use the concealer, I draw the concealer down onto her lid. This can actually serve as a base for your eyeshadow. Okay. And I go ahead to blend again. In makeup, the best thing you can do for yourself is to blend very well. Do not forget that. If you make any mistake, or if you feel the line is not as perfect as you want it, feel free, go back and then correct it. Now let's go to the top. Sorry about my hair. You take your time and then you draw or you apply the concealer. If you look at it critically, you see that when I was drawing the top part of the brow, I didn't start from the middle part where the down started. Yes. Supposed to give you a natural brow look. Yes. If you look at it critically, you can see her brow, her natural brow, some of the hair showing beneath the lower brow. Because trust me, you are definitely going to get some client that are going to say, don't touch my brow, don't touch my brow. Sweethearts, do as the clients want. Just don't touch it, but make sure you are drawing the brow through the hair, concealing it, blending it so well that people will not even see if they are not told. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. So we've moved to her other brow, and as I said, do what makes you comfortable. If it means you raising your hand to draw, go ahead. If you can just do it the way I'm doing right now, go ahead, but just make sure you are doing something that is beautiful. And I figured some parts of her brow is lighter than the front. Okay, so I came in with my rosé pencil in a darker shade to fill in those sides so you don't see her skin. Yeah, and I'm blending the top. So basically, this is how I draw my brows, and that's of my clients. Stick and stay for the next video on the eye work. Bye.